What caused it? What was the reason for you to trim my daughter's laugh?
Really, you can't show them the dirt bunks.
Welcome to the countdown. Alright. Yeah.
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another top 10 countdown. Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. This is going to be a abbreviated one because I have things to do. So I'm going to hurry up and give you the content quick and fast. So anyway, let's get right into it.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like, yo, hey, the box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, golden bunks. My word, my sentence. So, Berridos, so President of the People's National Party, Mark Golding is keeping up with the times and he dropped this video showing himself attempting the dirt bunks. Pre! You know what? E for effort. You get an E for effort. That's all I can say. E for effort. Berridos, let me know what you rate Golding's dirt bunks. Number 9, KFC fight. My chicken leg. Alright, so, you know, Berridos, I don't know what has been happening recently, but what's to say the KFC price them are raised, it continues to soar. I feel like by the beginning of September, you might have to spend $1,000 for a 2-piece KFC chicken. I actually feel like that is what is going to happen. That is going to be a game changer when the KFC 2-piece or 3-piece reach over $1,000 and people are still buy it. Anyway, so I do not know what was happening when this brawl happened at a particular KFC location. Well, I think it is KFC, correct me if I'm wrong.
What is?
Yeah man, and just like that the video don't know, I do not know who was in charge of recording this, but this person it missed. You should have a camera and record a lot earlier. I'm gonna know what kind of 5-second fight this. But that Kung Po jump at the end. Oh my gosh, Berridos, have you ever went to a restaurant and seen a brawl like this? So down below. Number 8, picnic schooled. My lunchtime. Alright, Berridos, no, I saw this video with this child, I guess, being corrected. Look.
And in the text I choose say a proper noun. The proper noun in that sentence is Kingston, not true? Alright. Kingston make me see. Since as a noun is a action word. Kingston make me see. What does you do? Eh? What is that you're doing?
You know, honestly, I can't even say anything because during school, my brain used to tough sometimes. My brain used to tough and my little subject verb, my little reading and writing used to sometimes be a little struggle for me too. So I cannot talk right now. I am on the side of the child right now because sometimes you just have one of them little days the way your brain just step on vacation and leave. Number 7, rum returns. Alright, so would you remember that police officer that was seen in the viral video with him? The rum and raisin, something that the whole of that sensation that brother was devouring while on a break in a police uniform. Yeah man. So it looked like say him deal with him, get him little punishment, and now he's back on the force and seems as if he has a new career in the influencer market. Pray.
Alright people, see there? Back to work again. After 5 months, exactly 5 months. See there? Yeah. Permanent. Hot there, yeah. Sylvester pan seat there, yeah. back to work again. I'm patrolling at night, yeah. Give God thanks to you. Prayers on stand up for me, yeah? And love on and support on the show, man. Bless up on yourself, big up on yourself, love it, is it? Yeah, man. So I saw you look out, so I mean, and the Bible says, be there, brothers, keep. Love on you, love all on the face support on again, alright? Big up on yourself still, yeah. Out again, first time. I ever meet with the superintendent today. And see me freeze him immediately. And me transfer me out of the parish shortly, but for now, I hear somebody there. That's it. So, let's up on yourself, alright?
So burritos, are you here for this brother resurfacing? Are you looking forward to more content from him? Sound off below. Number 6, Shelly and Sharika. Me Tokyo. Alright, burritos, one of the best things to come out of this staging of the Olympic Games is this friendship that we see blossoming and blooming with Shelly and Fraser Price and Sharika Jackson. Now, after their, I think, what was it? I think in the 4x1 win, or was it after the 100 meter? Shelly uploaded this clip to her Instagram story with her having a banter with Sharika.
Restart! I'm in no cinema girl with a party. But no, I'm stressed. Me I think about this from there. It tell me say Jesus Christ, if I put me in a panty now, I afraid that it's still and I'm like Jesus. Yo, me say so this I had a panty about 100 times when I said Lord God it's about shift. I have a small and an extra small. I said, no man, I put on the extra small, put on the small foot never too bad. I said, man, you know when you sprint and something, you know your tights always right up. Say, panty girl, that means Lord, I'm nervous. All me, I go out there, panty me, I say, Jesus Christ, I'm in a panty. No. I'm in a panty, you know, I'm nervous. Really, you can't. Show them the dirt bunks, no, girl. We can't. Show them the mud bunks. Show them the mud bunks, me. I'm going to say, even when I go up, I try to call me and say, look, you can't do this now, something. When I go up, I say, give me Jesus Christ. No people are going to No! Girl. You know how long me I practice dirt bunks? Me can't dance with you. You know how long it takes me to catch fling? I mean, if you can't fling with my tool, I'm a left tool, and you need to ask.
No, honestly, I am here for this. But actually, I'd love for the two of them for to start a YouTube channel. Shelly and Sharika. Like, that's all. The name, the two S them, it alone. Shell. So, burritos, let me know. Are you here for more videos with Shelly and Sharika taking on the world? Sound off below.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment. Well done. Look all the girls, them sexy and young. Run long, sing along. Well then, big up the friend.
Alright, so first up on the big up segment, I have to go and big up all of the athletes that participated in the Tokyo Olympics representing Jamaica. I mean, special salute to the men, big salutes to the women who delivered and just did extremely well. I think I'm going to do another video on my second channel to just kind of talk about the highlights and the moments of the Tokyo Olympics, but just salutes to each and every one of you guys who went there to represent yourself and to represent your country. It really is a big deal. Alright, so burritos, right about now, I'm going to big up Toledo Locks. Sometime ago, my house to get broken into, and right about now, I'm, beefing up security yet again because security is a necessity. So this is how it went, me sourcing my Toledo lock.
Alright, so burritos, I'm here in Half a Tree. I'm about to go and hunt to get my Toledo lock, right? Because you know the little situation I'm going, so I try to start out things for myself. Oh, big up yourself, alright? So follow up for me, I'm going to go and get the lock.
Alright, so burrito, so I'm there with Shamar, and Shamar is the person who will be telling me everything about Toledo's brand. Alright, so you know the situation. I'm going to tell you the situation. I'm going with these and my door and my lock. So you tell me, say, these are some of the great choices that I can select from?
Yeah, man, you see that one here? See the, for your purpose that you choose. This is the number one that you should go with, but all of these.
Well, like say, go for this number because this look like something like high tech. This something look like very what you call it? It have a certain little uptown little flair. I like it. It look fancy.
It's modern, man. But
modern.
All of them are the same, man. It's just that this Modern time, you know, someone use the one.
Okay, alright, because you do my pocket. And you say, this is a different type of, boy, this is like you put in numbers and this is a same touch system?
Yeah, they are both the same, but this one doesn't have the buttons.
Oh, okay,
this
okay.
This one does.
Okay. And what let me see, because most of them things them always have some of the extra perks and stuff on them. Okay, this. And you said this have the...
This come with lifetime warranty.
Okay, I like that.
Which means if you should have an issue with the lock, you could bring it back along with your receipt and you get a return. Anti-bomb system is a system that makes it difficult for you to break it.
Oh, okay. So like when thief and them people they are trying to put different key and all kind of things and whatever knife them are trying.
It's not gonna work, man, because the system is a high-tech system.
Okay, I said this is in the same anti-bomb is in most of the Toledo products.
Anti-bomb system is in all.
Oh, all.
The Toledo locks.
Okay, this is nice. This is nice and warm to this now because like me not really love padlock, but me like to the padlock here and have the regular look like, you know, like the long time, yeah.
This are more for more security reasons. The thief them can't come in here.
So you just put that on your grill and then put something there and all the key different. The key they look like one parallelogram or something. Okay, so basically, yeah, tell me, say, I have to go try to select between these because this I feel like ideal for my situation.
I have a choose between it.
Jesus. Well, burritos, there you have it. I think him do a good run through and tell me about the Toledo brand. Now, I want you to help me to select which of these. Hold on, help me right here, so. Please, may I beg you now, because you know, say me, I'm not really good in making choices. Waiting, I should just get all of them undone, but remember in my pocket as well. And or should I get a combination? May I feel like more go with a combination, like one of them here and something like this from a grill. Something like this. So please to help me and tell me which combination, but I definitely know say I'm going to go with this. Waiting fit me burritos. Sound off in the comments and let me know which of these Toledo products I should get. Until next time, take care.
Number 5, PM gifts. Alright, I have no idea what I'm going to say a while ago about lead. Just leave it as that. So, you know, recently people have been coming online to kind of say some little things to the Prime Minister that have not been so nice and it never really ended up good for them. But there has been this young lady who took to social media to basically have some words for the Prime Minister Andrew Holness.
Well, my name is Nicola James. I'm from Preston and Manchester. Andrew, me I begin 150k for up one local bar for start something for myself so I can start work for people. This can go viral now, you find me.
So you see, after that, this is what happened.
I'm gonna get the money.
Alright. And we have some stocks. So you should be able. I don't know if you have the spot already, but we did what we can know a little bit to it. Alright? And what we would want is that you become a positive ambassador.
Oh, honestly, no, that is nice. That is a really good look, but in the middle of this, I can only think about the brother who did actually first are. Me don't know if him get nothing at all. Me don't know.
Mr. Andrew Holness, I mean, they have to tell you about your nose big and how your head big and which part of your mother you now they have for that. But me notice if a man tell you fast is your find the address and then reach a station and get locked up. Well, my name Nigel not over. I live at Dunsany in Hansle, Mandeville, Manchester. Me want to work. Me have 5 subjects. Me have got maritime pre-college. Me have business studies and data interpretation. Me want to work. Can you find me and make me get a work, sir? We fit to we suitable to my qualification. The maths and the English. If you check me, me show you them. I better say you're not going to find me, and I better say this not going to go viral. But maybe the telephone so fast it go viral. How fast you find me? Is that work me want? Me suit on 26. I mean, I want to live like Croft.
That? Yes, people are thinking.
Really,
oh,
that?
Oh, you.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I don't know if I because him start off and say this about the Prime Minister, but him could I get a little bag too. Him could I get a bag of cement, something for start something. But burritos, do you think that was a little slight or a little shady, or are you just overall happy for this young lady getting the start to her business? Sound off below. Number 4, Zilli. Alright, Burritos, so you know, social media sensation Zilli seems as if he's a man of many talents, and what you see more on video, he play the drummer, was the piano. I know the brother fully a DJ around some uptown people. Take a look.
Pull up them. Jesus Christ. Right to now, boy, money forward. Yeah, badness. See the time with the yeah. Never dog, never rookie, yeah. What you want to me, yeah. I got by my belly like I do me, yeah. Never send them out train, yeah. I'm gonna spell, yeah. Never send them on the green on it. Oh, my dad, never queen on it. Never tell them if I jump 50. Every rifle a club 50. Number 7, number 2, Yancy. All Christian jump one king. I'm on the song, never jump one king. You know the morning, you know me. And me no filler. Get them on my yard, them on the filler, on the customer taste, them on the stiller. Style no yes, I'm a dead right, but rich out in the kid, I'm a be ruby down.
Okay, I mean, listen, everybody have a pivot and try something new. Burritos, are you here for more singles from Zilli? Son of below.
Girls, bro. These Jamaican girls could run. They run. They just run. Jesus Christ. Like, no, but yeah, what the it's them dumplings, man. It's the dumplings. Oh, that girl ran fast than a mother. And look, she looking at the camera like, what?
Number 3, Locks Off, Rastafari. Wow. Recently, this duo, mother and daughter, took this to the public. A situation where the young lady's hair was cut off by members of the police force. Take a listen.
I'm here today because my daughter, Nzinga Kande's skin, she has been victimized by the police, very much victimized. She had some money with the police the other day. She got locked up, she got a court date, she got fined, but because of a misunderstanding, the fine wasn't paid, but she ended up at the lockup, even though eventually the fine was paid and she came out. But Mr. Holness, my problem is, my daughter is 19 years of age. From she born until the 22nd of July, she is a Rasta. She goes relaxed from she born until that day. And she got locked up, and a police corporal down at the Four Pass police station, her name is Constable Michelle, she trimmed my daughter's locks. I mean, I like to know the reason why. I mean, I ask me that like some justice. Me can't live with this, I mean, I'm not going to live with this. This is not in the 60s. Rasta have contributed so much to society. Why are we still being stigmatized? Why did this lady cut my daughter locks? Me, I beg you, please, me, I ask you to help me to get some justice. Me can't live with this. My daughter go crazy. My daughter is going crazy. Me I ask for some justice. Me need some justice.
Okay, Mr. Prime Minister, these police officers, they are acting as if they have so much rights and nobody else have right. Only the police have right.
Yes, Burritos, so that happened and I don't support it one bit. But in the middle of that, there have been these other stories coming out and saying that maybe this young girl is lying and that she actually cut it off herself because she felt that there was something in her ear. No, me not really know how accurate this is, but that is what is being discussed in the online space, and I hope it is not true. But more importantly, I think we as a country we need to have better conversations about how it is that we especially protect people in the Rastafari community, and you know that their hair is their power, and it is something that should not be tampered with. And me just tired of this hair debate, like why? Burritos, I'd love to hear your take on this entire matter, so sound off below.
I believe that life is a prize, but to live doesn't mean you're alive. Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire. And you circle the shots, I am the umpire. I speak of holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment, I'm king.
Number 2, Hansle's kindness. Alright, so, you know, so the new 110-meter hurdles winner, the Olympic winner Hansle Parchment, is trending on social media, and it couldn't get any better after he posted this video showing an act of kindness to somebody who assisted him in getting to the semifinals of the Olympic Games. Take a listen.
So guys, I have a little story. For the semifinals, I accidentally went on the wrong bus to the wrong venue. Not even sure, well, I had music in my ears and I wasn't hearing anything the people loading the bus were saying. But I saw the sign at the top at that bus stand saying athletics track. So I just went on, not even thinking about it. And I was in my phone listening to music. By the time I looked up, I realized, no, this bus is going the wrong way. I'm not familiar with any of this surrounding. Anyways, I reached the venue, and it's one of them aquatic place where some kind of rowing or something like that. Wasn't sure. But anyways, they were telling me that I have to come back to the village and then take another bus back to the stadium. And if I had done that, I wouldn't get there in time to even warm up. I had to find another way. I was trying to get one of the cars, the branded cars for the games to take me, but you know, these people are very strict and adhering to the rules. And, you know, I would have to book the car from beforehand to be able to get it to leave. But I saw this volunteer and I had to beg, because of course she's not allowed to do much. And she actually gave me some money to take one of the taxis that affiliate with the whole games, and that's how I was able to get to the warm-up track at the stadium, and with enough time to warm up to compete, and that's just awesome. So I'm gonna find her this morning and show her my gold medal. Sienna, you remember me?
Oh, you can. Hi. You can really?
Yes, I am back to repay you and show you something. You were instrumental in me getting to the finals that day.
Really? Really? You
Yes.
got this?
I won. That's just because you helped me
Thank you.
to get to the
Can I take
stadium.
the photo?
Yes, so I took a shirt for you as well.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I hope it fits.
Really for
Extra
me?
small, yes.
Thank you. You're welcome.
And I took back your money.
Oh, thank you. Sorry, uncle. Just a minute. Wow, wow, wow.
Now, honestly, at them something they will like to say. It is a really good look, and it definitely shows the spirit, the kindness, the heart of Jamaican people. Boy, oh boy, honestly, right about now, I feel like Grace, I give Hansle a raise a pay, like a raise in the ambassadorship, because that video there, that alone just, you know, Grace approve it.
Hi everybody, this is Crystal Tomlinson, author of the book Kill Fear, and you're watching the Duttyberry social media top 10 countdown. Big up yourself, Duttyberry, the original fear killer when afraid to talk the things, them all when the things that talk about me. I love you same way. Mwah.
And number one goes to Elaine's grandma. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So number one goes to Elaine Thompson Hera, grandmother. Boy oh boy, this woman give interview and she has the viral phrase of the entire Olympic Games. I'm not even gonna jump into it. Just take a listen.
Can be against you.
Yes! Let it go, girl! Let it go! Let it go!
Yes!
Let it go, girl! Let it go! Let it go, girl!
Yes! 1, 2, 3!
Let it go! Let it go! Let it go, girl! Let it go, God, girl! Let it go! When me send you a talk, you go do. Go fi run!
Jesus, she winning!
Don't cry, girl! Hold it, girl! Hold it! Hold it! Hold it! What me tell you go fi do? Run! Cock up, girl! Cock up! In the name of Jesus! Come on!
1, 2, 3!
Oh, you mean? Oh, you mean? Come on! Yes!
So you feel, mommy?
I have
When you say you not tell me about prayer, tell me.
Yeah.
Talk to me, talk to me.
Well, dear, me say.
This cock-up girl in the name of Jesus is just shell. No, I don't even know if I can say right about now. Like, I absolutely just like I enjoy her. I hope say every Olympics or World Championships after this, we'll get an interview from Elaine's grandmother because she festive bad. And this is not the first time that she was actually interviewed. I actually found a clip online where NCB caught up with the grandmother, and once again she was basically sharing that Elaine's journey and that she was always a fan of Shelley and Fraser Price, and that was very nice to hear.
My name is St. Ricketts, otherwise known as Gloria. Elaine Towns is my granddaughter, my son's daughter. Ever since Elaine interested in track and field, running, she liked to run. Her greatest motivation is Shelley and Fraser. She speak about her very much, and I give thanks.
Yes, very does. So that is it. We've come to the end of another social media countdown. Please to let me know what you think about it. Oh, also, I forgot to say this is from Kim Possible. So this is from MKNE. Yeah, this is from her line. I'm gonna like it with the look acting and stuff and Ray, you know. So if you want to copy it, make sure you just go and reach out to her, Kim Possible Waterhouse, by Instagram. Anyway, so I hope that you enjoyed this social media countdown. If you did, please to hit the thumbs up button as well as to turn on the post notifications. Also to leave a comment down below and to share the video with your friends and your family. No, don't just stop there. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, because I'm still a try for trick to the 300,000 subscriber count. If you want to follow me on my social media, it is at DuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And if you want to advertise within the social media countdown, just shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. So take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, yo, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.